Hello and welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet Edmonton. Today we have a pre-owned 2020 Kia Sportage EX in the color Storm Blue. Under the hood you get a 2.4 liter engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. You can take a look at some of the features they have at the front. We have our LED automatic headlights as well as our LED automatic high beams. We have our fog lights there as well. Starting off on the door handle, we do have our window controls, mirror adjusters just right here. On the left hand side is our dash dimmer as well as our lane keep assist. Here, center dash here. On the left hand side of the steering wheel is where you'll have your hands-free calling and your audio controls. And then the right hand side is where we'll have our cruise control settings. I'm going to jump over to our entertainment screen. We're going to start off with the backup camera. You do have the guidelines there as well. I'm going to go over to all menus and you have phone, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, quick guide, radio, music, setup, and voice memo. We're going to come down here and we do have the automatic climate control zone. You have your heated seats as well as the heated steering wheel, wireless charging pad as well as USB ports, center console here, plenty of storage space. We have our drive modes, center differential lock. We have our downhill assist, auto hold, and our emergency parking brake. I'm going to go ahead and click the drive mode, and it'll say Eco, Normal, and Sport. Oh, Eco, Normal, and Sport. Here, let's do that again. Alrighty, so now that we've made it to the back, we do have the rear privacy glass. Do have the two-tone door handles. Our trailer hitch is just there. We also have our backup camera under. Thank you all so much for watching today's video on the 2020 Kia Sportage EX. If you guys have any questions, come on in or give us a call and we will be happy to help you out.